Frustrated that you didn't find your dream bike? Mihogo NX has it all. Durability, aesthetics, long range, and comfortability. With the minimalist design and incredible functionalities, Mihogo NX really pushes the limit and brings you the smoothest riding experience. Mihogo NX is made of aerospace-grade magnesium alloy, only 2/3 the weight of aluminium alloy, and 1/5 the weight of high carbon steel, yet the unibody frame is a lot stronger. It can easily support up to 550 pounds, or 250 kilograms, which ensures strength and aesthetics at the same time. Thanks to its swappable dual 12.8 ampere-hour battery solution, one full charge can provide you a long range of over 80 miles or 130 kilometers. No more low battery anxiety. With a 1,000-watt high-speed motor, it can conquer 15 degrees incline without breaking a sweat. Using car racing grade 2-piston hydraulic brakes, it can easily provide a more stable riding experience on slippery and snowy roads. 20-inch x 4.0 gripping wide tires equip the e-bike with a high level of performance. Mihogo's anti-shock technology ensure an extremely smooth riding experience. The built-in smart display meter has all the data you need for the entire workout. And thanks to its hidden wire design, this is one of the most minimalist electric bikes on the market. Because it is compact and lightweight, you can fold it in seconds and stow it in most car trunks in a snap. Mihogo NX also comes with front and rear light, which offers you a safer riding experience. The 1150mm wheelbase is way better than the average affordable bikes on the market, providing an unparalleled riding experience and stability. Best yet, the price. Enjoy the super early bird price only in this campaign. Hurry now and be one of the first to experience Mihogo NX.